Snow crab. Snow crabs are smaller and orange. They live in icy waters. They dig in sand for food. Horseshoe shrimp. These shrimps are tiny and rare. They look like miniature horseshoe crabs. They live in the deep sea. Sea spider. Sea spiders have long, thin legs. They live in cold waters. They suck juices from soft animals. Comb jelly. Comb jellies are clear and oval. They shine rainbow colors when light hits them. They move with rows of tiny hairs. Box jellyfish. Box jellies are cube-shaped. They are almost invisible in water. They drift quietly in tropical seas. Portuguese man-o'-war. It looks like a jellyfish, but is a group of animals. It has a purple float on the surface. Its tentacles drift far below. Blue dragon sea slug. Blue dragons are small sea slugs. They are blue and silver. They float upside down on the sea surface. Sea hare. Sea hares are large sea slugs. They are soft with little wing-like flaps. They squirt purple ink when scared. Nudibranch. Nudibranchs are colorful sea slugs. They look like underwater jewels. They crawl slowly on rocks and corals. Sea angel. Sea angels are tiny and clear. They flap like little wings. They float in icy seas like fairies. Sea butterfly. Sea butterflies are small snails with wings. They flap slowly in the water. They drift with ocean currents. Cone snail. Cone snails have cone-shaped shells. They hide in sand. They shoot out a long tongue to catch prey. Periwinkle. Periwinkles are small snails. They crawl on rocks in tide pools. They eat algae with their tiny tongues. Abalone. Abalones are sea snails with shiny shells. Inside their shells glow like rainbow colors. They cling tightly to rocks. Limpet. Limpets have cone-shaped shells. They stick to rocks in tide pools. They scrape algae with their tongues. Sea squirt. Sea squirts look like soft bags. Water flows in and out of them. They filter tiny food from the sea. Salp. Salps are jelly-like and clear. They float in long chains. They move by pumping water through their bodies. Krill. Krill are tiny shrimp-like animals. They glow in the dark sea. They are food for whales and penguins.